In this quick tutorial, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to find all missing custom shape in Adobe Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. So let's move on. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you're new to this channel and you find this guide useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to find hidden custom shape in Adobe Photoshop. So the very first thing you want to do is to come down below right here and make sure you navigate to your shape tool right here. Click and hold down, and right here make sure you select custom shape tools. Then having select custom shape tools, next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here, click on here. Then you are going to see some of the default custom shape in your Photoshop. Now there are still hidden custom shapes right here that you need to unveil. So for you to do that, simply click on this setting icon right here. Then you are going to see this option here. Next thing you need to do is to go to append default shapes. So click on that. Next thing you need to do here is to simply click on OK. Then by the time you scroll down from your custom shape right here, some of the hidden custom shape is going to be embedded, and just like what you see right here, we have new additional custom shape right here, such as in the folder right here. If I click on the folder right here, you see some flower right here. If I come down below here, wide animal. So these are other custom shape that was hidden in Photoshop before we are able to unveil it. So this is how to find hidden custom shape in Adobe Photoshop. If you find this tip tutorial useful, remember to click on that subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.